Which one? Yeah, I love it.
Let's try it like this. These three blue.
Yeah, you can.
Try it this way. Does that look a little easier?
Wow, Rupu, it looks great now.
Down.
What's her name? You ask her. What's your name, please?
What's your name? Christine.
Miss Christine. What will you say?
Miss Christine.
Yeah.
Look here. All right, ready, Alfonso? I didn't have to stand with me.
Yeah.
We're gonna
Draw your
trace it now,
dinosaur.
okay? Try it with this pencil. Or here, try this one. It's freshly sharpened. How would I help?
The clouds are which color?
Blue.
Good job.
And all these grass are green.
Yeah, grass are green.
No, these grass are blue, just like a dinosaur. Well, I want green to color these. These are the same.
Excellent.
Oh,